Hello everyone, so if you want to enable or disable always on display on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, first of all keep in mind that this feature isn't built into this device, so we will need to download an additional app. Open up your Play Store and you're to search for, open up your search tab of course, and you're to search for your AOA always on display. Let's do this. Always on display. Here it is. Open it up and press install. Now let's give it a few minutes to get installed. Alright, now press open. Alright, and press let's go. Now you are to allow all the necessary permissions, so press consent, press allow now. You need to give it a permission to be displayed over the other apps. So find your application, tap on the switch near it, give it a permission, go back, press allow now. We need all that for the application to work normally. So once again, give it a permission. You can read through all of that. Now go back to your application. And now it should work. So choose preview. In your preview mode, your AOA display will look like this. Let's look back. You can adjust it a lot. So you can add stickers, watch face, background, lighting, date, style. For example, let's add some background like this flower, right? Press save. Alright, this option is prepaid, so we won't do that now. However, let's check on our always on display. Alright, so as you see on a preview, it should be opening like this. Let's see how can we enable that. Alright, the service is on, so it should be on. Well, some applications which are not official may work weirdly like this way. However, I hope this video was helpful and it will behave better on your device. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.